Hey guys, CP here. For the last 3 years, I've been collecting fruit trees from different farms and farmers around India, and I was working on setting up a farm here. So I'll show you around what I have. I'll give a quick tour. Please share your thoughts as comments below. He's an active member of this farm. He's helping me here. So I have tried high density farming here. So the trees have like 4 meters gap only. And all these trees are 2.5 to 3 years old. Some of the mango trees started fruiting. So I have around 200 trees here, mainly mango, jackfruit, guava, papaya, soursop. This is my Vietnam early jack. It started fruiting last year. It's actually very sweet. And my papaya also started fruiting. That's all for now. Subscribe my channel for more videos. Thank you.